Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Her designs are minimalistic with a twist. In an interview with HGTV.com back in January 2019, Leanne described her aesthetic as warm, easy and minimalistic. We agree, and totally heart them all. 18 October 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Topshop and Free People make some of Leanne's favorite pairs of overalls, which she often pairs with a tee from her husband's line, Buck Mason. The line has also become a staple for her brother, Steve, to wear on the show. Sometimes it's like we're an ad for them. We wear it so often. Leanne laughs. 24 October 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Restored by the Fords Season 2 premiered on March 19, 2019. While HGTV has not yet renewed or cancelled the show yet, there is no reason to believe that a new season will not be greenlit, considering the already heightened popularity of the show.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can apply to be cast at highnoontv.com/casting. But, before you apply, there's a few things to know. Only houses within 60 miles of downtown Pittsburgh will be considered for the show. And you'll have to have some money ready for the renovation. The minimum budget you'll have to have is $50,000.26. March 2018.
Take our lead.
Pittsburgh siblings Leanne and Steve Ford became known for fixing up homes on HGTV's Restored by the Fords. Now they're bringing home their talent for creating welcoming environments on a new show, Home Again with the Fords, which premieres at 9 p.m. Tuesday on HGTV. 28 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.